For decades, engineers have undertaken efforts to build robots that increasingly resemble humans in their physical appearance. Researchers expect that by making robots increasingly human-like, humans may be able to relate to robots and respond to them with a heightened sense of affinity. Nevertheless, as robots increasingly resemble humans physically, some of them fall into an uncanny valley. In 1970, Japanese roboticist Masahiro Mori proposed that as robots increasingly resemble humans, they become increasingly likable to people. However, when robots became almost, but not fully human, they would elicit a sudden drop in likability, accompanied by negative feelings which are known as the uncanny feeling. For example, some people may find this human-like robot to be creepy and report negative feelings such as unease, eeriness, or revulsion. In addition to robots, some people find wax figures to be repulsive and fall into the uncanny valley. Others also experience uncanny feelings playing video games or watching films with computer-animated characters. Almost 3 decades ago, Pixar's Tin Toy became the first computer-animated film to win an Academy Award for Best Animated Short Film. Although by today's standards, the pseudo-realistic baby character Billy is far from being realistic, it appeared uncanny to many audiences. Many of us may not distinguish at a glance a prosthetic hand from a real one, but once we realize that the hand that looked real at first sight is actually artificial, we experience an eerie sensation. When this happens, we lose our sense of affinity and the hand becomes uncanny. In the survey questions that follow, you'll see images of faces and hands that might make you feel more or less uncanny. Your task is to rate their uncanniness by relying on your immediate emotional reactions or your gut feelings to them. Remember, however, that your task is not to rate images based on the broad categories to which they belong, be it human, robot, or a computer-generated character. Your task is also not to discriminate whether an image portrays a real person or a human replica, or to rate how human-like they look. Again, your task is to focus on how you feel in relation to the images. If you're ready, answer the question below. How confident do you feel that you understand the instructions?